What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are staying green. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I just want to give you guys a tutorial video on how to use limit order on the Thinkorswim mobile platform. A few of my subscribers are having some issues with this order, so I just wanted to upload this video just to make sure that a bunch of you guys know how to do this. It took me a while to figure out these orders out as well. So let's just go ahead and type in F. Ford Motor Company is going to be the company we're going to be practicing with. I want you guys to go ahead and click on buy for me. So once we go ahead and click on buy, we're going to see the order page, the order editor. And I am practicing right now with my paper trading account because my primary is on Robinhood. So let's just go ahead and click on limit order. You guys probably have this set on market order. I want you guys to go ahead and change that for me. Market order would just execute any order that's on the market currently, and it would automatically buy shares at whatever price it's currently sitting at. So I want you guys to go ahead and click on limit order. So limit order, what that means is, let's say right now the sells are at $12.74 and the buys are at $12.79. That means you can only buy shares at $12.79. So market order will automatically fulfill this. But if I'm being a little bit, let's say I only want to buy shares when it's at $12.73, for example, right? Let's just say it goes down a little bit. So we're going to change this down to $12.73. As you guys can see here, the sells are here and the buys here. We're going to be changing that down a little bit here. Let's say, for example, market opens, it goes down to $12.73. Our order will get fulfilled, and hopefully our order will get fulfilled and everything will be all set and ready to go. Cost of trade, I'll tell you guys the cost. You guys can change your quantity over here. Let's just go ahead and keep it on 100. Or we can make it 200, let's say. Day, let's leave that on day, exchange. So let's just go ahead and click on confirm. Once we clicked on confirm, all we need to do is click paper trade, and now automatically submit our order. If you guys have an actual account, it will just say trade. I wouldn't say paper trade. It will tell you guys how much it costs. And that's all you guys need to do there. And down here, it'll give you a summary. For example, when you're using the order to buy at $12.73 or better. So I'll try to give you a better deal or that exact same price that it's letting you know about. So this is what it's telling you. This is your order. Click confirm. You're all set and ready to go. That is how you use limit order in TeamAirTrade. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Comment down below any questions you guys might have. I hope you guys stay green. Peace out.